For course 2, we have a loaded toast. If you like avocado toast, you might like this dish too. Here the creamy element is the butter beans, and they do taste like butter. It's amazing. Start by chopping up herbs and shallots. Add the beans to the herbs along with some olive oil and lemon juice. This is the beginning of a vinaigrette. These are beans I cooked from scratch. You can control how tender they are if you cook them yourself. You don't want them to be too overly mushy. See how a salad is beginning to come together? Next, we'll add the tuna into the salad. You want about half to 1/3 the amount of tuna to beans. I'm using raw sushi grade tuna since I want this to be a fresh springtime dish, but you can use canned tuna, other kinds of canned fish, or even freshly cooked flaky fish like cod or salmon. If you're a seafood lover, add poached crab, lobster, octopus, or shrimp. The sky's the limit with this dish. This bread is a store-bought seeded loaf that I toasted, but you can see it makes an appetizing portion for each eater, and it's beyond delicious. For this dish, we're serving 2 different white wines, an Albarino and a Verdejo. I picked these because they're light whites, but they were also award winners. Both were double golds at the San Francisco International Wine Competition, which I think is a high honor. Albarino is a classic pairing with seafood that's most associated with Spain. This one is from Napa and has a green apple and lime character, but it's not overwhelmingly fruity. It's more subtle, so it won't overpower the toast. The Verdejo is from Rueda in Spain. This wine also has a green apple and citrus character, but it's a bit more herbal or grassy than the Albarino, so this wine can pick up the herbiness of the salad quite nicely.
Oh, John, you got done yourself with those 2.
Thank you.
The toast and the soup.
Nice springtime dishes, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah.